good one today for you. We are in the 2018 Dodge Demon. This is not stock, not even close. This is actually an HPE1000. I've got the plaque here for you. HPE1000. It is not placed yet. This is serial number 3. It's fast from the factory, but this is the HPE1000, which has the upgraded 4.5 liter Whipple supercharger. It makes tons of boost, makes tons of horsepower, and it's a blast to drive. We've got a camera on the speedometer, and I just want you guys to see how fast this thing accelerates. It does spin a little bit, of course, but the way this thing is set up with the tires and the drag radials and everything, it hooks up. So yeah, let's get into it. This thing is lightning. Coming off the back straight right here, going 50, and we're gonna lay into it. About 142 was the top speed that I saw, which is definitely fast on the back half of our track. Basically, we run it in reverse when we're just doing some testing because the blacktop can be pretty slick if it's not prepped for a drag race or anything. So, and we want to do all the heavy braking before we hit the blacktop. There are some people that say that the body hasn't changed since 06, and yeah, maybe they're right, it hasn't changed very much. But the car definitely has evolved. The interior is much better than the 2006. I mean, the 06 back then just was not very nice. This is a lot more plush. It's a lot better, I think. The acceleration on this thing is just brutal. I'm going to hit it into manual mode in 4th gear, 3rd gear. That is just brutally fast. Throws you in the back of the seat. Very, very impressive. The way the power comes on is so linear. With the Whipple supercharger, we're able to get very nice dyno graphs, looking very straight up. It's just a really impressive machine, especially now that it's been modified. To get a warranty on a modified vehicle, especially something like this that makes 1,000 horsepower, you know, it's kind of crazy. But we're that confident in our builds, in the car, in the way it's going to hold up, that you'll be able to have fun, enjoy this car, no problem. And we're able to back it up, which is great. Okay, here we go. From a dig, I'm not going to launch it hard or anything, just gonna kind of ease into it and then go. So overall thoughts on the HPE1000 Demon. This thing is fun, it's fast, it throws you in the back of the seat, it's comfortable, you can have people in the back seat. There's not that much more you can ask for in a car. So for now, we're signing off. Check us out, HennesseyPerformance.com. If you're interested in tuner school, tunerschool.com. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. Comment, like, subscribe below. Thanks very much, guys. We'll talk to you soon.